Understanding how to improve quality assurance and why it is important can help you adjust your quality assurance process and raise brand awareness. Ensuring delivery of a quality product or service to your customers can help build relationships and confidence in your brand. This increases sales. In this video, we define quality assurance, explore its importance and provide steps for improving quality assurance processes. QA focuses on how a company works. It seeks to create an environment where processes create consistent, high-level products. QA helps protect a company from liability. Quality assurance can be extremely important to a business and has a large impact on its success. Some benefits derived from implementation of QA are described in this lecture. Every customer wants to buy completely safe product for use. Safe products can help build buyer confidence and convince prospective customers to make a purchase. If someone is shopping for a lampshade, because the one they had from your competitor broke, they might be more willing to buy from your company if they think yours has a better chance of lasting longer. These can reduce production costs and maximize company profits. Internal reviews also can identify and resolve errors before they become disruptive to production efforts. Setting clear expectations helps a business define its relationship with its employees and customers. These practices also help customers learn what to expect from a company. Improving quality assurance can help a business improve its reputation and attract new customers while establishing trust with current customers. Basic steps to improve QA and company image are discussed in upcoming part of this video. Defining quality standards for business can let employee and customers know what to expect from your products. It also helps define the customer's expectations by establishing a level of quality and functionality for each product. During reviews, if you want to test the functionality of one feature of your product application, you can compare the results of that test against the original quality assurance expectations to see how much it has improved. You might find ways to update the production methods to create more consistency in your product. While it is important to look internally for quality assurance solutions, you also can consider external feedback from customers. Try to look for patterns in these reviews to see whether you can update or change any specific features of a product. For example, if you automate the packaging process on an assembly line, you can increase production speeds, improve labeling consistency and ensure proper packaging for product. TE&MC has prepared more lectures on the important subject of QA and QC that when implemented ensures high-quality manufacturing products in all the industries, including fiberglass and carbon composites. Stay tuned by subscribing to TE&MC YouTube channel to get latest information on this subject. Important web links related to Technology Education and Mentoring Center are flashed on the screen.